Hi team, in this video let's have a discussion on a simple topic called two-way binding. Okay, so two-way binding, first let's get to know what is two-way binding. See, we have an empty project. Okay, so in this empty project, okay, I just delete everything from this app.component.html file. Okay, and now let's confirm in the browser. Okay, it is empty, right? And now actually I have my component. In this component, I have a variable assigned with a value Angular. Right. So it is in the TypeScript file, right? Component file. Now, I want this data from the TypeScript to my HTML. Okay, we got it, right? Now, this is what we call one-way binding. Okay, that means we had a data here and the data is being brought into the HTML file. Okay, we just got it here and we are displaying it. Now, if I want to change this data, where can I able to change it? I can able to change it only in the TS file. And if I do that, automatically this data would be rendered in the HTML, right? You can see the updated confirm. Now, this is what one-way binding is all about. Now, uh, actually, I want to have a text box and let's add a horizontal rule. Okay. Now my requirement is if I change the text over here, I wanted that text to be assigned from HTML file. If I give some data, I wanted that data to be assigned to this variable. Okay, so now from TypeScript, you can take it to the HTML, one-way binding. Now, I wanted from HTML, I will bring the data and that data will be assigned to this variable. Then that is what we call two-way binding. Okay, TypeScript to HTML, and you can able to pass it from HTML to TypeScript. And to do that, we have to do only two things. First, let's go to module and add a module called forms module. All right. So it is from the Angular form. Just keep your cursor over there and you can click on this quick fix and it will add the import from Angular forms. Okay, so we just added forms module and the second step is let's keep this closed now, module file. And the second step is now in the text box, let me add the syntax banana in the box. This syntax is termed as banana in the box. And here ng model equals the variable name. So the variable name is title. So whatever the user type in this text box, I wanted that data to be assigned to this variable. So what happened? When this variable's value changes, automatically this heading will also get changed, right? Let's confirm that. Okay, it is RNTBCI. The title value is displaying here. And let's change it to Angular. See, when I try changing it in my text box, the corresponding TypeScript variable is getting updated. This variable is getting updated. And whenever there is a change in this variable, and this interpolation is getting updated. Now, this is what we call two-way binding. So we can use it for any element. Okay, so you can use this for text box, drop down box. Preferably, we use it for drop down box and all. Even let me just show you with the drop down box, horizontal rule, and we have a select, and let's keep them away. And I would like to have some options. Apple, orange, grapes, banana. Okay. And now here, I would like to map this element to this variable, okay, the title variable. And to do that, banana in the box with the ng model equals the variable name over. And let's come back here. Now let me select orange. See, the title value got updated, and you can see that that is get rendered here. And let's change it to grapes. Okay. And let's try it with guava. Okay. And let me choose banana. The value is getting changed. Now this is what two-way binding is all about. You can able to pass a data from the HTML or from the template to the TypeScript, and also from the TypeScript to the template. And for this, we have to do only two things. And the first is include the forms module. Okay. We have to include the forms module in our module file. And now the second thing is go to the HTML element wherever you wanted two-way binding and include ng model equals the respective variable name. That's it. Whenever the variable's value changes, automatically that will get updated here. Whenever we make changes in these element, that would be applied there in the variable TypeScript's variable file. Okay. So that's it about the two-way binding in short. Prepare it in the upcoming programs and in the projects. We'll be using it frequently. Okay. Thank you.